All right, we just started inflating this. This is a dual action pump, meaning the air will go in when you go down and when you go up to help save some time and make it quicker and a quick process for inflation. So right on here for the pressure, it says to inflate from 12 to 15 PSIs. Now it is done. We are at 15 PSIs, which is the green zone, so it is completely inflated. Right, so this is 10 feet 6 inches by 32 inches long and 6 inches deep. He's gonna go ahead and lay down and just show you the length. It's pretty long. He is 6'3", and it's perfect for him, and it's good for beginners, for 2 people, multiple people can definitely go on this. The easy function to assemble the chair to switch it from a SUP to a kayak. So paddleboard versus kayak, easily assembled here. You're just gonna clip all these into the D-rings. There is 4 clips, 4 D-rings, and then you'll have your seat. And then you're just gonna go ahead, lay it down, and you can sit on it. And it holds your back. Looks good. Is it comfortable?
It is comfortable. Having something to have your back on.
It's comfortable.
Or if you want to stand up while you're out there.
Yeah, and then if you want to stand up, you could just lay it down and stand up, and there's still a lot of space on the paddleboard for that. Here we're doing the kayak mode first. Nice seat on there. You can lean back and not have to sit with nothing behind you. We got the dry bag on using the front bungees. He weighs, how much do you weigh again?
215.
215. Holding him up nice. He has straps on the side where he can put the paddle. You can Velcro it in there. When you do use the kayak, the paddle does have, there is another paddle you would switch out to have a paddle on both ends. All right, so he is out there paddling. Nice and easy to use. The seat is underneath him, but there's still enough space on it to stand up and paddle or to switch into the kayak mode. We just finished paddling. We got the paddle put on the side and the Velcro. The seat's still connected, just gonna easily disconnect it, deflate, roll it up, and put it in the bag. When you're deflating and rolling it up, you're gonna push down right there, and then you turn it to keep the valve open so that it deflates. And then just keep rolling it up. Everything it comes with is now in the bag, and everything fits great.